Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We're going to go down to Great Falls, Montana. But first up, I'm going to make a cocktail. This is called a Frozen Negroni. So the components of a Negroni are 1 part Campari, 1 part gin, and 1 part sweet vermouth. Sometimes I go a little lighter on the sweet vermouth. That's just the measurements that I like. And we're going to do a frozen version. So I got my ice and I just have a little cheap blender here. So we're going to blend it all up. Now I find 15 seconds of you listening to the blender is not good content. So while I'm putting this drink together, I'm going to show you 15 seconds of Mookie being cute. Mookie, are you finished? All right. Hey. Okay, we'll put that together. You can watch Mookie being cute for 15 seconds. We'll come back. We'll see how my Frozen Negroni turned out. And then we're heading down to Great Falls, Montana. I'm going to go to Ace's Bar and Casino. And I'm going to have a little pizza. So check it out. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar, Montana edition. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Mookie and I'm Chappie, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.